Hello everyone, my name is Anishana and you are watching Prometheus web series. In this topic, we will talk about how to remove the tools. It means that how we can uninstall the Prometheus server, node exporter, push gateway, and how we can remove the alert manager, Prometheus high availability. Obviously, when we install the any application, we should also learn how to uninstall it. For that reason, I have already created the script for you. Let me click here. Let's delete the Prometheus Federation and here uninstall the Prometheus Federation server from worker node 2. If you follow me along, you should know that I have installed my Prometheus Federation on worker node 2. A simple script has been developed to uninstall the Prometheus Federation. It first stops the Prometheus services, disable the services, remove the tar file, and remove the users also. And Federation script that we used for installation of Prometheus Federation. Okay, let me copy and paste it on worker node 2. This is the directory and I'm going to create this file inside this slash data directory. After that, giving the right permission, execute permission to this file and then execute this file. And obviously we want to remove this file also, right? For that reason, I'm using this file. How we can do the post checks? The post checks are pretty simple. We can open the Prometheus website and check whether it is open or not. It should not, right? It means that we have successfully deleted or uninstalled the Prometheus Federation. Let me go back here. Prometheus HA, how we can uninstall the Prometheus HA, and I have installed on worker node 1. Same script I need to execute on worker node 1. If you're creating a lab, you should write that on which server you are installing the Prometheus and HA so that it is easy to remove, right? And here, copy and paste over here. After that, remove this file also. That's it. After that, how we can remove the alert manager HA? This HA I installed on worker node 2. It means that I need to log in into my worker node 2 here. Let me paste this file here. All these files are doing the same thing, that is stop the service, disable the service, then remove the service file that we created. After that, remove all the directories, respected directories and binary files, remove the downloaded packages, and then remove the installation file, and also at the end it also remove the user that we created at the time of creation. It is on worker node 2. Let me log in here. Worker node 2, I have already logged in and I have already pasted here. Let me copy and paste this command. Okay, it's giving me error message that uninstall alert manager ha.this. It says okay, it gives me some error message, but it's okay. It already removed everything. Okay, no issues. Let me remove the file here. And from the Prometheus server, we also need to remove the configuration file, right? For alert manager, we need to log in our primary Prometheus server. It means that I need to log in into my master node here and paste it over here. If I want to remove only the alert HA, then I need to remove this IP address. And as per the lab, I just need to remove this IP address. Okay. If I go up in the alert manager config here, after the comma, I just need to remove steps. That's it. Save. Always check the syntax. It says yes. We can reload the file. Okay. And also we can check the services if it's removed or not. I just simply write here one. Status run and build. At the down, I see only one alert manager. Okay. That's great. After that, alert manager. I need to remove, and this is on worker node 1. Copy this file and go to my worker node 1, paste it over here, copy and paste here. It is always coming, right? Get CWD. No such file and directory is available here. Maybe some copy and paste mistake, but it's okay. But it is removing everything. Now again, I need to log in into my Prometheus server, and this time I need to hash here. Or maybe I can add hash only. That's it. And this is what I did here. Everything look good. Prometheus scale, and again I can check, reload the page. Now I should not see the alert manager here. So now we have removed the alert manager also. Okay. Here, HTTP server discovery. I need to log in into the Nginx website. Okay. So I need to log in into here also. Okay. Okay. I will add, no worries. So let's go for push gateway. How we can remove the push gateway? The push gateway we have installed on worker node 2. Same thing, I need to copy worker node 2. After that, copy and paste, and after that, move data directory. That's it. Also, I need to clean the Prometheus website. For that reason, I need to log in into here and remove this block only. Job push gateway. I need to remove this block only. If I go down, so this is the block I need to delete here. That's it, and save. After that, I need to check the syntax. Everything look good. Kill and check in the GUI. In the graphical user interface, if I execute the up matrix here, I can see that push gateway is still showing here, but yes, it will remove. Don't worry. It takes some time. Okay, I will check after 5 minutes. No worries. Let's proceed the lab and how we can uninstall the node exporter. Node exporter is installed on master and worker node 1. Same thing I need to repeat on master and worker node 1. Let's do it on worker node 1 and then paste on master node. After that, I need to execute this command, right? So now every time when I am observing this error message that retrieving current directory, when it trying to delete the user, it is not observing its home directory. And remember that when we created the user, we never created the home directory. So it's okay for us. This error is, we can consume this error without any issue. Let me execute here. Here I'm going to remove the node exporter also. And after that, also I need to remove this file, this one, and from this one. When I remove the node exporter, obviously I need to clean my Prometheus configuration file also, and it is reside in on my master node, right? Let me click here, and here it says that remove this block, node exporter, 31. I just parallelly I did on both the server. So for me, I can also delete this. If you go down, okay, so this is the block for master node, and after that, and here it says that remove this block. Let me remove this block only, node exporter. After I check the configuration file, everything look good. Let me kill the services, and again I can check Prometheus GUI. I should not see node exporter here. and push gateway also. Still it is showing because it is showing here 000 here. Okay. Previously it was showing 111, but now it is showing 0. It means that it is down. Now my VM is up, so I can remove the HTTP service discovery here. So let's proceed this lab here. And now I'm logging into my Nginx server here. VM. I need to copy this file and paste it over here. After that, execute this file. And then here I also need to remove this file. It is not mentioned here, but yes, you need to take care of this also. I will update file, don't worry. In the Prometheus server, here Prometheus server, and it says that remove this block. Which one? HTTP SD job. This job. After I check the configuration, syntax, everything look good. Restart here. And also it would be good systemctl restart Prometheus service. You should not see this how to remove the push gateway. We have installed the push gateway on worker node 2. This is what we have already done. Push gateway. Node exporter is we have completed. And now how we can remove the or uninstall the Prometheus server from the master node. Simple step, the same step that we followed here. Just right click and paste it over here. After that, remove minus this one. That's it. If you refresh this page, you will not see anything here. Now, my next topic will be how we can install the Prometheus and all these stuffs again on Kubernetes cluster. And it will be automatically. And I will show you that how we can configure the Prometheus server, how we can modify, and also I will going to install MongoDB exporters. As of now, I have not shown you any application exporter, right? But I will show you the application directly on the Kubernetes, how you can implement. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Namaste. Bye bye.